What's going on, folks? Mark, Dlux Motorsports. Today we got a beautiful 2014 Chevy Silverado crew cab, four-wheel drive, 5.3 V8. Looking straight cold legit. Close to being almost blacked out. Got a little bit of chrome here and there, but it looks really good with black wheels. This truck's 6 inches of lift, 35s. Got some other upgrades, NFAB step rails, pre-wired with a amp for a stereo system. Southern truck, zero rust. Frame is super clean. The body's in very good shape. A couple small things here and there, nothing too major. One of the fender flares, as you can see, actually both the fender flares have some rock chipping just from the wider wheels, but other than that, just some basic rock chips here and there. Overall, a very nice truck. Mechanically perfect, just fully serviced. 2 brand new Moog upper ball joints, oil change, Virginia state inspection. This is an LT truck loaded with navigation.
6 days. That's how long it takes the average company
Turn the damn radio off. You got one little spot right there on the seat on the side of the leather. Very common in these trucks when they're lifted. But the leather, all in all, is in very good shape. Back seats don't appear to have sat in that much. Probably didn't have kids. Anyway, full power options, navigation. You see the passenger seat is actually very nice as well. So anyway, overall, a gorgeous truck in person, rust-free, just over 90,000 original miles. If you haven't subscribed, in the bottom right corner right there, click that subscribe button, turn on the bell notifications, click the bell. That'll allow you to see these videos when we first post them in case you're in the market for a Silverado. You can follow us also on Instagram at Dlux_Motorsports. And then our direct website is www.dlux-motorsports.com. And then our phone number direct here at the office, 540-898-1300. If you've got any questions, give us a ring. I got about 4 or 5 more trucks I'm posting videos on this week, so make sure you pay attention to the channel. See you then.